Hey ladies and gents, what's up? We're back at it for Carlisle Performance and Style 2022 in PA. And I'm gonna be honest, the weather for this event looked very sketch. But because I was working the event, I had to go either way. Unfortunately, some of the car club, Z Cartel Car Club, didn't want to go because of the rain, which is all good. I still had fun and made lots of new friends.
Bear is a mix.
That sounds big. It's probably small, is it? No, oh, okay. Usually people do the opposite. As you already know, I had to look to see where I could park. And unfortunately here, there are only 2 regular spots in front of my window, which meant I had to be there earlier than everybody else to get a good spot.
Yes, ma'am.
Florida, oh my gosh, that's where my mom lives.
I do. Furthest I went west was Colorado. I did Texas, North Carolina, Georgia, Missouri.
Oh my God.
This is gonna be my first East
Look at
Coast.
his car. Well, welcome. Well, guess what? I'm actually working the event. I'm one of the girls, so I'm Miss USA.
Okay.
So I'll be there both days, all day. And actually, they're parking me next to the Z's.
Okay.
So I'll be there if you need anything.
I'm going to try and get over there now and figure out what time's everything doing and everything else.
Okay.
Then I got to find a car wash.
Oh my goodness. Maybe we need to wash our cars together.
I'll text you the picture.
Oh, that's cool. All right, we're all clean. Let's go see what he's doing. I don't know how you keep this white clean. You are crazy.
Look.
I might have to, yeah, I'm gonna work out today. Especially if nobody's in here. Yep. Good morning, everybody. Today I'm working the event at Carlisle. I am excited to do this. Oh, look, people are already getting ready to go. But let me get out there. Let's go. First time. All right, let's go.
She said to put this on the driver's side.
Yep. Look, don't look at me. Don't do what I did.
Nobody put it on the other side.
Because my other sticker from last year is already on that side. Leave me alone. Good morning. Okay, yeah, I want to do this.
I look like shit because I don't have makeup on
Oh
yet.
my God, you look beautiful. Please.
All right.
The one thing I can say about this spot for USA is that the judging is right behind me, so I do see all the judged cars drive through. I'm not sure who set me up, but yes, I had to stare at the new Z the whole entire day.
Yes, girl. Do it again! Cousin!
I have this thing I do with cars that I own. Like if I see another car like mine, I'll always say, hey cousin. I don't know. Time for a quick lunch. So I have to make the sacrifice of either looking at cars or eating my lunch. It's either one or the other. This year I was able to split it up 15 minutes kind of, and they let me do the Z parade on break, and then I was also able to shove my salad down my throat.
Let's do this. 0 to 60. Let's go. Oh, he cheated. Y'all have fun. Oh my god, he just saved me. I had to run to my car. It wasn't raining this hard, and I was like, okay, maybe let's start. I'm so glad I just ran to my car and closed the windows. I would have screamed. But yeah, he drove me over to my car. Thank you.
So I'm making the best of my limited time that I have to actually record cars. And on my way to the bathroom, I basically went through the Z stand, or where we had some of the Z show cars at, and I just started recording. It was really cool seeing all the different Z cars from beginning to the current Z that you see there. It was nice to see them all in one room.
I need to wash
It's a Pro Charger. Did you get it dynoed?
No, my tuning company's out of North Carolina.
Okay.
And I'm from Maryland.
I'm from Maryland. I've never seen you. What the hell?
What part of Maryland?
Southern Maryland. But I'm all over.
Western Maryland. All the way.
Okay. All right. Oh wow. How long you been had it?
I've had it for almost 2 years.
Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Hi. I know. I'm also a dog groomer, so I naturally love the doggies.
Yeah, that's right. It's a good picture.
He's like, I think we're about to roll. All right.
I didn't start. Okay, all start. Before we start, we are having an assistance today. Miss Buckets. And your official name.
Marlia.
Yes. And your background.
I actually own a 350Z, the blue one right there, and I'm here working for the event. I'm Miss USA.
So she's been crowned Miss USA for the event. She's been helping us out for the last couple of years now.
Yep.
We appreciate your help.
So I do some drag racing, car customization, I do airbrushing, and I host car shows where I am from. I'm actually from Southern Maryland.
And you're part of the Cartel Z Club?
Cartel.
Yes.
Yeah.
Part of the Cartel Z Club.
All right, I haven't made it home yet. Last minute movie festivities. Still in PA. So yeah. What are we seeing?
Dr. Strange!
Yeah, we're gonna get
Oh, we're
strange.
doing live. Oh.
No, it's YouTube.
Oh, you do.
And I got a bucket. And then with
I'm dumb.
buckets.
Yay! Oh, don't tempt me.
That one.
That's weekends only. And when I feel like fixing stuff.